What if I told you that in just 1 week, you could set yourself on the path to financial abundance and personal fulfillment? It might sound too good to be true, but stick with me. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of simple daily habits. These are not just any habits, they're the keys to unlocking your potential and paving the way to wealth. So, are you ready to discover the secrets that could change your life forever? Let's dive in. Imagine Sarah, a hardworking professional stuck in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living. Despite her efforts, she never seemed to get ahead financially. Then she stumbled upon a book that outlined the power of daily habits in transforming one's life. Skeptical but hopeful, Sarah decided to give it a try. She committed to making her bed each morning, staying hydrated throughout the day, and starting a morning workout routine. Within just 1 week, she noticed a shift. She felt more energized, focused, and motivated. Inspired by her progress, Sarah continued to implement these habits, eventually breaking free from the financial struggles that once held her back. Sarah's story is just one example of the incredible transformations that are possible when we commit to positive change. Now let's explore how you can follow in her footsteps and unlock your own path to wealth and success. Number 1, dreams. Before we embark on this journey, let's take a moment to dream. Close your eyes and imagine the life you've always wanted. Picture yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, and pursuing your passions without financial constraints. These dreams are not just fantasies, they're glimpses of what's possible when you commit to creating the life you desire. By setting clear goals and visualizing your success, you plant the seeds for manifestation and attract opportunities that align with your aspirations. Remember, your dreams are the North Star guiding you on this journey to wealth and fulfillment. So dare to dream big and let your imagination soar as you envision the abundant future that awaits you. Number 2, make your bed. It might sound trivial, but starting your day by making your bed sets the tone for success. This simple act instills a sense of order and accomplishment from the moment you wake up. It's a small win that creates a ripple effect of positivity, inspiring you to tackle bigger tasks with confidence. Making your bed not only cultivates discipline, but also fosters a sense of pride in your environment. As you smooth the sheets and fluff the pillows, you signal to your subconscious that you're ready to take on the day ahead. Plus, coming home to a neatly made bed after a long day can provide a sense of comfort and relaxation, setting the stage for restful sleep and rejuvenation. So embrace this humble habit and watch as it transforms your mindset and your space. Number 3, hydration is key. Water is the elixir of life, and staying hydrated is essential for both your physical and mental well-being. Starting your day with a tall glass of water not only rehydrates your body after a night's rest, but also jumpstarts your metabolism and flushes out toxins. Throughout the day, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water to maintain optimal hydration levels. Not only does water keep your body functioning properly, but it also improves cognitive function, mood, and energy levels. To stay on track, carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go, ensuring you have easy access to hydration. Remember, small sips throughout the day add up to big benefits for your health and vitality. So, raise a glass to hydration and drink your way to success. Number 4, maintain oral hygiene. Your smile is your greatest asset, so don't neglect your oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing regularly, and visiting your dentist. Routine checkups are essential habits for maintaining dental health. Not only does good oral hygiene prevent cavities, gum disease, and bad breath, but it also contributes to overall well-being. Poor oral health has been linked to systemic conditions, such as heart disease and diabetes, highlighting the importance of taking care of your teeth and gums. By prioritizing oral hygiene, you invest in your long-term health and confidence. So make it a habit to brush, floss, and smile with pride, knowing that your oral care routine is laying the foundation for a bright and healthy future. Number 5, take a deep breath. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to forget to breathe. Yet the simple act of taking a deep breath can work wonders for your physical and mental well-being. Each morning, take a moment to pause, close your eyes, and inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. As you exhale slowly, release any tension or stress that may have accumulated overnight. This conscious breathing practice calms the nervous system, reduces cortisol levels, and promotes relaxation. It's a powerful tool for managing stress, improving focus, and cultivating mindfulness throughout the day. So whenever you feel overwhelmed or anxious, remember to take a deep breath and reconnect with the present moment. Your breath is always there, ready to guide you back to a state of peace and balance. Number 6, keep a diary. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. Set aside time each day to put pen to paper and record your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Your diary serves as a safe space to explore your innermost thoughts and emotions, free from judgment or expectation. Write about your goals, challenges, successes, and lessons learned. As you pour your heart onto the page, you gain clarity, insight, and perspective on your journey. Plus, documenting your progress allows you to track your growth over time and celebrate your accomplishments. Whether you prefer to journal first thing in the morning or before bed, make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your diary is a treasure trove of wisdom and self-discovery, guiding you on the path to becoming your best self. Number 7, morning workout. Exercise is not just about physical fitness, it's also about mental clarity and emotional well-being. Incorporate a morning workout routine into your day to boost your energy levels, improve focus, and release endorphins that elevate your mood. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga session, or full-blown gym workout, find what works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. By starting your day with movement, you set a positive tone for the hours ahead, setting yourself up for success in both mind and body. Number 8, fuel your body. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, providing the energy you need to tackle whatever lies ahead. Choose nutrient-rich foods that nourish your body and sustain your energy levels throughout the morning. From hearty oats to protein-packed smoothies, prioritize fueling your body for success. A well-balanced breakfast not only fuels your physical activities, but also enhances cognitive function, ensuring you're sharp and focused as you pursue your goals. So, make time for breakfast and give your body the nourishment it deserves. Number 9, feed your mind. Just as you nourish your body, don't forget to feed your mind. Make time each day to engage in reading or learning something new. Whether it's a personal development book, an educational podcast, or an inspiring article, seek out knowledge that expands your horizons and fuels your ambition. Continuous learning stimulates your brain, sparks creativity, and opens doors to new opportunities. So feed your mind with the wisdom of others and watch as your own ideas flourish and grow. Congratulations, you've completed the first step on your journey to wealth and success. By incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine, you've set yourself on a path to transformation. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fortune be. But by consistently practicing these habits, you'll build momentum, cultivate discipline, and pave the way to a brighter future. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next video.